and subtracting radical expressions. So our essential question is, how do I add and subtract radicals? In order to add or subtract radical expressions, you have to have the same radicand. Remember, a radicand is the number under the radical symbol. If you have the same radicand, you simply add or subtract the coefficients. So basically, I treat it like terms. If the square root of 2 is x, this is 5x plus 3x, which is 8x. In terms of the radical expression, 5 plus 3 is 8, keep the square root of 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, keep the square root of 3. And you can just write that square root of 3 if you like. If you don't have the same radicand, you have to simplify the radical first. So if you'll recall, I told you to memorize the square root of 12. The square root of 12 is 2 square root 3. And let's keep the 4 square root 3. 3 times 2 is 6 times the square root of 3 minus 4 square root of 3. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Keep the square root of 3 and you're done. Looking at the next one, I need to simplify the square root of 20. That's 2 times 10, which is 2 times 5. So this is going to be 5 times, the 2 gets to come out, 5 has to stay home, minus 3 times, let's simplify the square root of 80, that's 2 times 40, 2 times 20, 2 times 10, 2 times 5. So I have 2 pairs of 2. 2 times 2 is 4. That gets to come out. Square root of 5 has to stay home. Plus 2 square root of 5. Let's clean that up a little bit. 5 times 2 is 10. Keep the square root of 5. Minus 3 times 4 is 12. Keep the square root of 5. Plus 2 square root of 5. So 10 minus 12 is negative 2, plus 2 is 0. 0 times the square root of 5 is just 0. If you cannot simplify the radical so that you have the same radicand, then you can't add or subtract. Looking here, 8 is one of those we're supposed to memorize. So 3 times 2 square root of 2. And there's no way to simplify the square root of 5. So this is 6 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 5. We can't do anything. All right, at this point you need a summary and a couple of guiding questions.